cleaning has come a long way, from scrubbing floors with sand and vinegar to robotic vacuums and smart cleaning systems. It's more than just removing dirt. It's a story of progress, innovation, and how we care for the spaces we live and work in. Welcome to FastKlean, your trusted source for professional cleaning tips and smart solutions. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest cleaning tips and tricks. Centuries ago, cleaning was hard, slow, and entirely manual. People relied on natural materials like ash, sand, and water. Without advanced tools, cleaning depended on pure physical effort. Then came the Industrial Revolution, and everything changed. Mass-produced tools like brushes and mops became widely available. When germ theory was discovered, cleaning became not just about dirt, but about protecting health. The 20th century introduced vacuum cleaners, washing machines, and disinfectants that transformed everyday cleaning into something faster and more effective. And now, in the 21st century, technology is revolutionizing cleaning like never before. We have robotic vacuums and mops, steam cleaning that eliminates germs without chemicals, and microfiber cloths that trap dirt with just water. Smart cleaning systems allow us to control devices remotely, and eco-friendly products keep spaces clean without harming the planet. Another major shift has been the rise of professional cleaning services. With advanced equipment and expertise, they deliver deeper, more efficient results, ideal for both homes and businesses. Modern cleaning means speed, efficiency, and healthier environments. But it's also about balance. Combining the best of traditional care with modern technology gives the best results. If you found this video useful, give it a like, subscribe to FastKlean, and let us know in the comments which modern cleaning tool has made your life easier.